Had an opportunity to use this mini DC UPS. This is great for powering modems, routers, network switches, outdoor cameras that run by PoE. It'll provide up to 24 volts PoE. And its max output is 18 watts, so it's not a whole lot. But when the power goes out and you want your internet to still be active and transmitting a feed, this is a great solution. Very cheap solution over a larger UPS that's a lot of times overkill for small little DC powered things. On sale, this thing coming in around $20. It's a great value at $20. The regular price is somewhere between $25 and $30, and it's still a good value at that. It does not come with batteries, so you will need to get your own batteries. It takes either 18650 batteries or 11865. Both of them are 18 millimeters wide, 65 millimeters long, and 3.7 volts. You do not want button top batteries. You just want flat end batteries. Even with these flat end batteries, it was a tight squeeze into the unit. So a nice snug fit. Taking this, I'm going to go ahead and hit the power button. After I'd fully charged the batteries, I used it a little bit. It's showing right now that it's red, so it's discharging, and there's 4 green bars where this has been discharging. As soon as I start to put load on this, which I have a small battery charger here that requires 5 volts, 2 amps, this will drop down, and now it's just showing that it's only got 3/4 power left. So one dot down, and it'll keep dropping till it expires. This is showing that it's using 10 watts. This sometimes goes around between 9, 10, and 11. It's not exactly a precision instrument, but it shows that it's drawing 5 volts, 2 amps. Some devices I plugged in where it's got a lot of variation. A battery bank that's got a screen, or my phone. My phone, I think, drew 5 volts, 0.6 amps. The battery bank drew 5 volts, 1.5 amps. It's whatever it can negotiate that meets its needs. This requires 5 volts, 2 amps, so that proves that it reaches its output as listed on the specification sheet, which is, here we go, come on, which is 5 volts, 2 amps from the USB and barrel plug, 1 amp for 9 volts, 1 amp for 12 volts. So speaking of 9 volts, we can go ahead and we have a switch here that requires 9 volts, 0.6 amps. We can go ahead and plug that in at the same time to the 9 volt slot. Make sure you select the right voltage, and that'll power at the same time that this is charging as well. So you can have multiple things connected. Now, if I take this out, if I disconnect these here, take this out, I can measure and test the voltage for the 9 amps. So if I go ahead and test that, this is not fully charged, but it's showing 923, showing 9.23 volts. At 12 volts, it's showing 1172. And at 5 volts, we're showing 4.97. All of those are within tolerance. The 9 volt is maybe just a touch high, but it's not out of the range of what would be acceptable. If we take the AC, we go ahead and plug that in. It'll take a couple seconds here, but you'll see this red light turn to green, and it will start charging the unit. There we go. We see that it turned to green, and now we're at a full 4 bars, and it'll go ahead and continue to charge. I really don't think this is a bad value. There's nothing. The build quality is okay. It'd maybe be nice if it had some rubber feet or some mounts, but this is a good unit for the price. Very inexpensive solution to providing power to some DC items.